I've been able to just enjoy how my life is right now by doing these secretive things that no one really talks about or cares to look at. I want to share them with you right now because it'll allow life to just happen. You only focus on the things that you can control, and you'll be able to live a lot more calmer and only focus on the important things that you can control in your life. So I don't want you to miss out. The first habit that secretly made my life interesting was not going on my phone in the evenings. So as soon as I get done with work or get home from school, what most people do is they feel so tired and drained, then they turn on the TV, they just go on their phone and then wait for it to be like, okay, this is a reasonable time to go to bed, or after this is finished, I'm just gonna go to bed. But what this does is, the way I see it, it just stimulates your brain. It doesn't actually make you want to go to sleep. And you're just seeking entertainment before you go to bed. Why not use that time to make the days better, to plan, to prepare? We have some free time to do what we want to do. Why not use that to your advantage? The way I personally like to do this is not even go on my phone at all. It makes the evenings feel 4 times longer. I'm able to get a lot more done by reading a book, some new book about some interesting topic, like how to assess nature and be able to read your surroundings. What happens is I learn stuff from that book, and then I'm able to do other things like plan out what I want to wear tomorrow, write some to-do lists so I'm on track on what I want to do. Basically make the next days way easier. Instead of filling my brain with entertainment, I use that emptiness to see what thoughts actually come up, what that entertainment is trying to escape from. And then I face those thoughts, I face those fears by not having anything to do. And I'm able to get more done from it. The second habit that secretly made my life interesting was moving around. You saw that thing I did right away in the video. I like to do that almost every time I get up, because being able to just move around like that while we still can, we're still able to. Besides being healthier, you get your body stronger, you be more connected with nature, whatever those benefits are that everyone knows. It's just a lot more fun. Like, would you rather just get up like a normal person would, or get up, do a cartwheel and then a backflip? You know, that which one would be cooler? The next habit is facing my fears. There was a point a few years ago when I was stuck on my phone, scrolling the days away, and I was terrified of seeing anyone, literally talking to anyone. I would be the type of person that you would walk past and they'd just pull out their phone, check the weather app, check their photos for the 1000th time, check the messages even though nobody messaged them. I would pretend to be busy, pretend to be occupied, pretend to have some reasons why I couldn't go out, I couldn't do this, I couldn't talk to someone. I'd use all of that as an excuse to not face my fear. And because I wasn't able to face my fears for the longest time of talking to people, of putting myself out there, making videos, stuff like that, I wasn't living a life where I was learning, I was growing. So those years when I wasn't facing my fears, I was stagnant. I didn't learn anything of much importance. I didn't get anything done, really. It's something everyone knows, but only few take action on. When I realized I'm going to include this as the next habit, the next thing, because this is so important to understand. When I realized no one was really going to save me, when no one was going to tell me, go inside my brain and tell me what to think, tell me what to do, that's when I realized if I don't change anything about how I'm living, I'm going to stay like this for the rest of my life. How you spend your day is how you spend your life. Time is going to go by and you're just going to be living the same life unless you do something. So that encouraged me to do another thing. I'm going to include the fifth habit, to start small. Make it as easy as possible. Break it down so you can start today, 24 hours from the time you realize this, to start doing something. And trust me, when I faced those fears, when I finally started talking to more people, I've gotten so many more opportunities and things done. I've been able to be the captain for my sports teams. I've been able to get nominated for the student of the school that I go to, the student example of the whole entire school, the person to look up to. I've been able to have a community online with over 7,000 people. It's in the description if you want to check it out. All because I was able to face my fears, which a lot of it was just the thoughts that I had, not really what actually happened, which is gonna be the next thing. Almost mastering my mind. It's gotten to the point where I don't really care about things that don't really matter. Like, for example, I forgot which number we're on. So I'm not gonna stop filming and then just cancel this. I'm still gonna put this video out there, get that repetition in, get that practice in. I've realized that if you can control your mind, you can control your life. So many things in life are just determined by whether you do it or not, and that comes from your mind. I've realized so many things that I wanted to do, but I wasn't able to do, was because my mind was limiting me, because I didn't believe it was possible. But as soon as I did, as soon as I just put in the reps, I was able to get those things done. Something like getting 100,000 subscribers. Subscribe if you want. I'll be posting more chill videos like this. Or making my first dollar online, making my first $1,000 online, making my first $10,000 online. It just goes on. And that leads me to the next number, whatever we're on, staying consistent. I remember 3 years ago, April 1st, the day of April Fools, I decided to film my first video 3 years ago. It was right back there somewhere in this garden. And I didn't think much of it. I just wanted to post the video and, see what would come of it. I didn't think much of it. But later, after I filmed that video, I was carrying some sticks to clean up the yard a little bit. And I realized if I just do this once a week for a whole year, let alone 2 years, or where I'm at right now, 3 years, my channel will completely change. If I just do this once a week, the amount of opportunities I'd get. After realizing that, all I had to do was just not quit, not give up. I just had to show up once a week, and the time is gonna pass anyway. Time is gonna fly. And before you know it, you're doing it for 3 years already, making videos. And you've already built up an audience of lovely people And that's where I am today. I'm so grateful. While I'm on the topic of just basking in the sun, the next thing I want to talk about is just having good posture and kind of having these high testosterone poses. It might sound a little silly, but trust me, literally walking around just like this with your arms out, head up, chest out, it just does something inside of you which makes you feel so much bigger, happier, stronger, more capable. So next time you're on a walk alone or you're walking around your house, just go like this and you'll feel so much better. Take a deep breath too while you're at it. And you won't regret it. Those small things make such a big difference. Some other things which helped me were having a story journal where I write down interesting stories that happen so I can talk about them and remember them, and also encourage me to get those interesting experiences to have as stories where I can learn stuff from them. Another thing, writing stuff in a journal, especially starting the 7-day challenge, which is in the free community in the description. Check that out. As a whole, just lowering my screen time and replacing that time with more interesting things that I personally find enjoyable, like sports, playing chess, being outside, talking with friends. Things like that actually make life. If you're serious about lowering your screen time and you want to get hours back every single day, apply in the first link in the description to get an exact roadmap and step-by-step guidance with me. Let me know what videos you want me to make, and hope you have a marvelous, lovely day. I'll see you. Have a good one, man.